शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाध्यासु मनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यं नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तं नमामि गजाननम्। These two are prayer to Vignaharta Sri Ganesha to remove all the obstacles in our path and give us his blessing to study the Sundarakanda without any obstacles and complete graduation and keep it in our life forever. So, praying to Lord Ganesha for his blessings. Shuklambaradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayete Sarva Vignobashantaye Guru Vagishadhya Sumanasah Sarvarthanam Yam Natva Krita Kritya Syuhu Tam Namami Gajananam Gurur गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. By his grace only we are learning the Sundarakanda. His Holiness Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, he has ordained us to teach Sundarakanda, so I am teaching. So my pranam to my Guru Maharaj on behalf of all of us. कलये सुन्दराकारं सदैव प्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरं मुरलीमण्डितकरकमलं मुनिजनमोहनं व्यत्यस्तपादं वनमालाधारिणं प्रेमभक्तमण्डलनित्यकीर्तिनं श्रीप्रेमिकवरदम् आश्रयेऽहम्. To remove the primordial ignorance, Ajnana Nashakam Devam Sadgurum Muralidharam, that Guru Maharaj who is going to remove my ignorance that I am this so and so in this samsara and bestow me the divine jnana, to that Guru Maharaj my pranams. So Kalaye Sundarakaram Sadaiga Priyadarshanam Ajnana Nashakam Devam Sadgurum Muralidharam. Then Murali Mandidakara Kamalam, our Krishna who is holding the flute, he is called Premika Varadan. Murali Mandidakara Kamalam Munijana Mohanam. Even the sages are confounded by the vastness and extent of the glories of Krishna. They are not able to understand the extent of his glories. Munijana Mohanam. Yatyasta Padam. He keeps his hand, his one leg on top of another and stands in a Tribangi pose with three curves on his body. Yatyasta Padam is called Vanamala Dharinam. He is wearing the Vanamala. Then Prema Bhakta Mandala Nitya Kirtinam. All the bhaktas are always singing his glories. That Krishna, that Premika Vardhan. Premika Varadam Ashrayeham. I take refuge in the Sri Krishna. May he bless this study of Sundarakanda. Ma Saraswati Torbhiryukta Chaturbhi Sphatikamanimai Akshamala Dadhana हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दु शङ्ग स्फटिक मणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना जन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्. Yes. पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्. वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को नयाति परां गतिम्। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को नयाति परां गतिम्। शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को नयाति परां गतिम्. So we are going down to Valmiki Maharishi, who wrote this Ramayana, right? In the Ramayana, there is first Balakanda, describes the childhood of Rama. Then Ayodhya Kanda describes all the happenings in Ayodhya. Then Aranya Kanda is the life in the forest when Rama, Lakshmana, Sita live in the forest for 14 years. Then Kishkinda Kanda, when Rama and Sita, Rama is searching for Sita, they met Sugriva and Hanumanji and all those, Vali Badam, all those Kishkinda Kanda, that is fourth. Fifth one is Sundarakanda, is the fifth one, Sundarakanda. And then next one is Lanka Kanda or Yuddha Kanda, and then last is Uttara Kanda. So total 7 kandas are there, all written by Valmiki Maharishi, 24,000 shlokas. So we bow down to that Valmiki Maharishi because without him we would not know Ramayana at all. So Pujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Arutya Kavita Shaka Vande Valmiki Kokilam Valmiki Munisimhasya Kavitavanacharinaha Shrinvan Ramakathananam Konayadi Param Gadim Yas Pipan Satatam Ramacharita Sagaram Atruptastam Munim Vande प्राचेदसं अकल्मषं यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेदसं अकल्मषं सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेदसं अकल्मषं. नमस्कार to Hanuman ji. गोष्पदे कृतवाराश्यं वशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजं. गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं वशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम्. अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्दारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्. अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्दारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्. From the tip of India and going to Lanka, all the way the Indian Ocean is crossing. That big ocean he made as though it was just little bit of water left by a calf's hoof. Under the calf has the hoof, no? Under the hoof of the calf, how much water can it store, right? Only that much water, as though it was. Like that, Hanumanji crossed this ocean, which is 800 yojanas. Just like as though that only that much water, but that will be held by the footprint of a calf. Adhumadri, this big ocean, Hanumanji crossed. Then Goshpadikrita Varashi. Mashakīkrita Rakshasam. For the Rakshasas, he made them into pulp. So mar ke haddi tod diya. Mashakīkrita Rakshasam. Then Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam is the crest jewel of the Ramayana. Ratnam Vande Anilatmajam. That Hanumanji is the Ratnam of Sri Ramayana. I bow down to that Hanumanji. Then Anjana Nandanam Veeram is the son of Anjana Mata. And then Janaki Shokanashanam, the one who removed the sorrow of Mother Sita. Kapisham Akshahandaram. Akshakumara is very great warrior, the son of Ravana, and Hanumanji fought with him, and Akshakumara also fought fiercely, but finally Hanumanji killed him. Adnala, his name is mentioned, Akshakumara. Kapisham Akshahandaram Ande Lanka Bhayangaram. He caused terror in Lanka. And so that Hanumanji, we need your blessing, please bless us. Then Goshpati-Kritamārāshim Mashaki-Kritarākṣasam Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vandya Nilatmajam Anjananandanam Veeram Janaki-Shokanāshanam Kapisham Akshahandaram Vande Langa-Bhayankaram Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimadam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayudamukhyam Shri Ramadutam Shirasa Namami Vedavedye Pare Pumsi Jate Dasharathatmaje Veda Prajeta Sadasit Sakshat Ramayanatmana Gunadasya Shatakoti Pravistaram Ekaikam Aksharam Pumsa Mahapatakanashanam. Then, now this is Sita Ramayo Dhyanam Vandanam Cha. Vaidehi Sahitam. This one you need to know. Vaidehi Sahitam Suradrumatale Haime Mahamandape Madhye Pushpakamasane Manimye Nirasane Sustitam Agre Vachayadi Prabhanjana Sute Tattvam Munibhya Param Vyakhyadam Bharadadibi Parivridam Ramam Bhaje Shyamalam. I am saying Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai Chatasyai Janakatmajayai Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrarka Marudganebhyah. Hanumanji is doing pranam just before searching the Ashokavana. He already searched in all many places, Ravana's palace, 13 chapters over. No sign of Sita Mata. Hanumanji was about to be depressed, etc. Then 14th chapter he said, I'll pray one more time. And then he calls Sita Mata and says, until the Devi wants to reveal herself, how can I see her? So he does this prayer. It's very important one. Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai Chatasyai Janakatmajayai Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrarga Marudganebhyah. I'll write and send you this one. Hanumanji Dhyana Shloka, Rama's Dhyana Shloka. Again I'm going to repeat. He did Vedavete Pare Pumsi Jate Dasharathatmaje Veda Pracheda Sadasit Sakshat Ramayanatmana Valmiki Giri Sambhuta Ramasagara Gamini Punadi Bhuvanam Punya Ramayana Mahanadi Charitam Raghunadasya Shadakodi Pravistaram Ekaikam Aksharam Pumsa Mahapatakanashanam Vaidehi Sahitam Suratrumatale Haime Mahamandape Madhye Pushpakamasane Manimaye Nirasane Sustitam Agre Vachayadi Prabhanjana Sute Tattvam Munibhyah Param Yakhyadam Bharadadivi Parivritam Ramam Bhaje Shyamalam Swame Bhumi Sutta Purascha Hanuman Paschat Sumitra Sutaha Shatrugno Bharadashta Pashvadalayoho Varvadikoneshu cha Sugrivascha Vibhishanascha Yuvarat Tara Suto Jambavan Madhye Nila Saroja Komala Ruchim Ramam Bhaje Shyamalam Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai Chatasyai Janakatmajayai Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrarka Marudganebhyah. Then Janaki Kanda Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Rama Anjaneya Swami Ki Jai Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Dvairapa Sharanam, and we are going to first chapter Sundarakanda. Ready? Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Tato Ravana Nitayaha Shatrukarshanaha Yesha Padamanveshtum चारणाचरिते पति निष्प्रतिद्वन्द्वं कर्मवानरः शिरो ग्रीवो वैडूर्यवर्णेषु शार्बलेषु महाबलः धीरसलिलकल्पेषु विचचार यथा सुखम् द्विजान् वित्रासयन् धीमान् पुरसा पादपान् हरन् मृगांश्च सुबहून् निघ्नन् प्रवृद्ध इव केसरी नीललोहितमाञ्जिष्ट पद्मवर्णैः सितासितैः स्वभावसिद्धैर्विमलैः धातुभिः समलङ्कृतम् गिरिवर्यस्य तले नागवरायुते तिष्ठन् कपिवरस्तत्र ह्रदे नाग इव बभौ प्रियाय महेन्द्राय पवनाय स्वयंभुवे भूतेभ्यश्चाञ्जलिं कृत्वा चकारगमने मतिम् and he's already made up his mind to depart. He's standing on top of the mountain Mahendra Parvata and he's going to take a leap from the mountain to cross the ocean. Then again he's doing prayer. Anjalim Brahmuka Kurvan Pavanayatmayonaye Tadohi Vavrite Gantum Dakshinam Disham. Friends, Hare Rama. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Janaki Kanda Smaranam, Jai Jai Rama Rama. Anjaneya Swami ki Jai. Sadguru Maharaj ki Jai.